Junior High School District Flip the Switch event that will recognize the installation of solar arrays on the Merced Junior High School District campuses. We'd like to recognize several people that are here today. First off, we have our Deputy Superintendent, Mr. Ralph Calderon. He'll be speaking in just a moment. We also have Assistant Superintendents, Dr. Scott Weimer, and Dr. Constantino Aguilar. And we also have here our Director of HR, Miss Mandy Ballinger. We're also privileged to have a couple of our board members with us. We have our board clerk, Mr. Richard Lopez. Yeah. And also another board member, Miss Amelie Jason. We also have several of our county supervisors here. We'd like to welcome them. And Vice President of Engie, Courtney Jenkins. And we also want to thank there's a number of members of the Engie team that have made their way from a long distance today. Thank you so much for being here. We have a lot of the students you've seen here are our awesome El Capitan leadership students. They do so much for the school. And also our cheer squad. You'll be seeing them in just a moment also. While it's been a challenging couple of years globally, it's great to recognize positive achievements that have taken place. They definitely have. Today's event is symbolic of the vision of our district leaders to improve things for students as well as for our community. And so once again, welcome. At this time, we'll have our ASB President, Gabrielle Jasso. She will come and lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance. And if we stand, the flag is just there behind us.
Okay, good morning, everyone. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. We have a special treat for you today. It's not every day of the week that you get to see a 4-time national champion cheer squad perform, but you're going to get that privilege today. Thank you, Coach Jackie Smith, and here is our El Capitan Gauchos 4-time national champion, in case I forget to say that, cheer squad going to perform with us just over us.
We got solar, come on, we got solar, gas, S-O-L-A-R, we got solar, come on, S-O-L-A-R, we got solar, come on crowd, help us out, 'cause we got solar, we got solar, come on crowd, help us out, 'cause we got solar, we got solar, yeah!
It's going to be one solar, and you won't even know why until today. So thank you so much for that. Just awesome. Next, we'd like to introduce Merced Junior High School District Deputy Superintendent, Mr. Ralph Calderon, who's going to come and speak.
Good morning. On behalf of Superintendent Peterson, thank you all for being here on this truly momentous occasion. It's just not a big day for MUHSD, it's also a big day for the community and the environment. It's fitting that next week is Earth Day, as we are here to mark a significant milestone that will greatly reduce our environmental footprint. With this project, 90% of the energy the school district consumes will be generated by the solar panels that have been installed at all of our sites. Because of the efforts of our Board of Trustees and Superintendent Peterson, Melissa Miller and her team, and Engie, local families will reap the benefits of this partnership for years to come, and that deserves a round of applause. This solar project also relieves the uncertainty of potential future energy rate hikes. Thanks to the partnership with Engie, our rates won't change over the next 28 years, potentially saving the district an estimated $2 million. Our CTE program will also benefit from this partnership. Engie offers a classroom component that MUHSD plans to integrate via hands-on activities, energy and sustainability lesson plans, and professional development for our teachers. And I know that the students and staff will appreciate that these solar structures will provide, especially during those long, hot summers, great shade. Am I right?
Yeah.
Thanks for laughing. I want to thank Engie for being a great partner and working through some undesirable conditions that included COVID as well as supply chain issues. And we appreciate you being here today as we embark on this new eco-friendly endeavor. Thank you, Principal Shaw and El Capitan staff for hosting this historic event today. It's great to see the students in attendance, and I hope that you are all inspired today to make a difference. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Calderon. Next, we will hear from our Merced Union High School District School Board Clerk and former School Board President, Mr. Richard Lopez.
Well, thank you everyone for being here today. On behalf of the MUHSD Board of Trustees, I would like to thank you for being involved in this and making this vision a reality. MUHSD continues to lead the way when it comes to academics, athletics, CTE, and now we can add sustainability to that list. I want to echo Mr. Calderon's words about seeing this project through during the pandemic. We all had to put things on hold these past few years, but the fact that this project was completed during that era is a testament to the character of a company like Engie, and we are very proud of our partnership with them. I'm also proud of the fact that when people come to our campuses or just drive by them, you can't just help but see the solar panels. It sends a clear message that we care about the community and the environment. I look forward to the classroom component that Engie offers being utilized and seeing our students learning more about energy and the clean resources. And hopefully they go on to further explore this arena beyond their time here at MUHSD. Thank you and happy early Earth Day, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Lopez. Our final speaker will be Vice President of Engie, Courtney Jenkins.
Good morning. It's great to see everyone. Thank you to the cheer squad, to El Capitan High School for such great hospitality, and also to the students who have come today. Really, this event is about you. It's about the district's mission of inspiring and creating pathways to fulfilling educational promises. And I'm so pleased and so proud to be part of a company and to be part of a team with the Merced Union High School District to embark on this mission together. For students, while the sheer presence of over 7 megawatts of solar in and of itself is an achievement, I really want to commend the district. I want to commend the district's leadership for having the vision to elevate the program, to include the educational components, to include the career and technical education pathways, to include the experiences that will undoubtedly impact every student who walks through the halls of your campuses and through your district. The educational aspect of this partnership is something that I'm extremely proud of, and I know will set the mission and vision for the future of the district. We know that these partnerships take a village, and so I want to commend, once again, the so many people who contributed to the success of the program. I want to recognize and congratulate the entire Board of Education, Superintendent Peterson, Deputy Superintendent Calderon, Dr. Weimer, Dr. Aguilar, Melissa Miller, and every single individual who's been so instrumental in bringing this program forward. When I think about my experience as a student, I know all of the experiential learning that I did led me to where I am today. And so I hope for all of you and cheer squad in the student body take this and have an extremely positive experience with the program. We're so proud to be a part of it, and we look forward to a great partnership in the many years ahead as we serve the district and community. So congratulations, and with that, I'd like to present a plaque to Superintendent Calderon to celebrate this partnership.
Thank you, Ms. Jenkins. We would now like our speakers and Gabrielle to move over to the switch. We actually have a working switch here, and they're going to move over. It might take a moment to get set up, and then they're going to flip the switch.
Hold on a second. He's going to jump in there. Get on that. Everybody good there? Everybody good? Okay. We'll do a countdown, okay? Let's count down from 3, 2, 1.
It actually does light up. I was close enough this time I saw it kind of flicker on, so maybe we'll bring it back and do it at night one time. There we go. Once again, we'd just like to thank everyone for coming out and participating and being here with us today. The students that come out here, I mean, you're the life of the district, as always, and the school. So we thank you, Cheer Squad and Coach Jackie, for doing the performance here. Go Solar, go Solar. And the leadership students, again, we appreciate you. If you can just give a wave back here. Yeah, they're doing that behind the scenes. That is very symbolic. Behind the scenes, they do so much for the school behind the scenes. And so the leadership students, Mr. Price, thank you so much for bringing them out. Captain Gaucho, if you give a wave there, yeah. We'd like to thank the members of the press that came today to cover the story, so thank you so much for that. Mr. Seifert and Mr. Niguez and the Engie team that came out and organized the event several weeks ago. They came out here while we were still in masks and everything to prepare, so thank you so much. And please stay and enjoy. There's going to be some refreshments over here, some Kona ice. In England, we invented ice cream, so ice cream and the weather has no correlation to each other. It doesn't have to be warm or anything like that. Once again, thank you. Have a great day.